Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video I have for you 1, 2 and 3 different palettes from Curves and Lashes, and I am going to do makeup tutorials from 3 of these palettes, and I'm going to show you how to get this look using these 3 palettes. These cost rupees 300 each, right, which makes them very affordable. Like 300 for 4-pan palette isn't bad. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so these are the 3 palettes in question. These are the 3 palettes that I have, and you know what? Let me just talk about the packaging for a while. Just look at this. Look at this cutie. This feels so good in hands. It is so pretty. So this one is Buff and Blue. The second one is this. It's Mean Greens. And the third one is this. This is Orange Pixies. So I have 3 different palettes from 3 different color, right? So let me show you Orange Pixies first. This is how it is from inside. This is how it is. It has a golden color over here. It has a orange pastel thing, a pink pastel thing, and a pink shimmer. So this palette is more like a tutti frutti palette, you know, tutti frutti ki ice cream. Yeah, this palette is that in a nutshell. Let me just say that to you. Next up is Mean Green. This is how it looks. It has a good teal green color, it has a gray, it has a lime color over here, and then here it is a olive golden-ish olive color, right? So this is that. Again, very pretty palette. So this is Buff and Blue, right? It has this minty tealish color, a tealish sparkle. It is a blue over here and a blue toned purple over here. So this is that. It's very pretty. These are going to be like quick tutorials, you know, the Instagram type tutorials where you just have like a voiceover or something, because I have to finish this quickly. I don't want this video to be 55 hours long. So I'll just do it quickly without speaking, just showing you what colors I'm using. I'll be putting them on the lids. That is how we're going to do this. Okay, let's just do it. Let's start off. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the blue, Buff and Blue palette, and you can see this is how it is. I have used all the shades, and you know, there's one thing that I absolutely love about this palette and almost all the palettes, you know, all these palettes, they are 4-colored palette, but they are not monochromatic. You know, they are not just the shades of blue happening over here. We have shades of mint, we have blue, we have purple. So we have, you know, a variety of shades, right? So that is one thing that I absolutely love. Another thing, I really thought the brush that was free with this palette, it would be pretty useless, but I applied this whole mint thing with this brush and it's really good. So yeah, this one from my end, this palette is like, if you want to try it, you know, if you love blue colors, I would say do try this one out because it's really pretty. Let's move into the next look, okay, shall we? Let's go. Hi guys, 1 month later I'm back with the second palette. It has been more than 1 month since I shot that Buff and Blue wala tutorial, and I got delayed because the weather is pathetic. I am literally dying because whoa, it's so hot. It's not raining. Like मुझे नहीं पता बारिश कहाँ हो रही है, monsoon कहाँ पे है इंडिया में, because यहाँ नहीं है. So yeah, I'm back with the second palette, and the plans have changed because I don't have time, you know, to review 3 palettes, you know, in a YouTube video. So I will just be reviewing this palette, Mean Greens, and this palette, Buff and Blue, you know, these 2 palettes in this video. For the third palette, That is this orange Pixies, this palette. This will be up on my Instagram because I have a very cool idea for this one. So I hope I will be able to do it. I don't know when. I hope I will be. So this will be up on my Instagram. If it will be up, I have done this and it's up, I will post it in the description box. You will find the link there. If not, then please follow my Instagram. Link is given in the description box. Do follow me there so that you know when I upload the tutorial, right? Because I post a lot of fun things there as well. That is that. So let's move on with this one. This is how it is. See, it's pretty. It's very, very pretty. Whoa. I really like the whole contrast over here. You see, they have this very teal color, which is, you know, more on a blue-green side, and then they have this lime green color, and it's so beautiful. And on the contrast, they have like a very, how should I say? It's actually like a olive. It actually is a dark sage sort of shade, you know, grungy sage. That is the color, because this exactly is not. I don't know, I don't really know what color this is, but this is very pretty nonetheless. And then they have this very olive gold sort of shimmer. It's subtle actually, it's pretty subtle, or maybe I didn't swatch it properly. Let's layer this up, and ooh, see, that's pretty. That's a pretty shade. That's pretty. Let's swatch other two shades as well, right? Let's swatch. We are swatching, right? This is the teal one. Woo! That was pretty, and that's the lime one. I think for the lime shade, this is pretty decent as well. And here goes the teal shade. Yeah, it's good. It's pretty pigmented, and here goes the lime shade. The lime shade, okay, it's a little chalky, which I don't blame, because lime shade is not easy to make. These type of shades do tend out to be chalky sometimes. So let me just fix this one, and okay. So yes guys, this is the final look for this palette, this Mean Greens palette, and this is the final look for the Mean Greens palette. I think it looks so pretty. Like, this is mind-blowing. It's a very pretty green palette, I must say. It does take a little bit of more hard work, because I think this palette is, this color specifically is super pigmented, and it will get a little hard to blend if you go overboard. So be careful, build up little by little, do not go in it just like that. That is that. Other than that, I think I really like this palette, both of these palettes actually. I would really suggest you try these one out if you are looking for good mini travel size palettes that are good on the pocket as well as they work fine. I would say do try these out. Okay, do try. These two palettes already been reviewed by me, and for the third palette you have to go to my Instagram, so please do that already. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.